What you doing? What are you doing?
Well, the previous owner had cut some handles off the through holes to make them easier to operate because they were in tight quarters. But he used to like to use a hacksaw or something and left them really sharp, so they cut my hand. So I thought I'd at least smooth them off so that they don't hurt when I open and close the through holes.
Gabe wants you to turn off the Bluetooth so he can listen to music on his phone.
Must turn off my Bluetooth?
Yeah. Why is there dirt on my toilet?
I don't know. Why is there dirt on the toilet?
I don't know.
Uh-oh. That is from your dad. He was doing something in the back of those things. So we need to sweep it off. I don't know. Let's see. Vacuum it off.
Dad, guess what we saw next to our boat?
What?
We saw that truck leaking.
Yeah? Did you haul some stuff off?
Yeah, how do you know?
Did you tell him there was garbage over
Yeah,
here?
I told him there was garbage there.
Awesome. All right, let's get back to work.
Yep.
All right, dear. Where are we at with this plumbing?
With the plumbing, we have a long ways to go with the plumbing. We're trying to decide if we're going to replace all the Quest junky stuff with PEX. And so it's just a lot of work to do. Quest is not leaking right now, but it's questionable a lot. And it's hard to find. We're in the middle of making that decision, and I got to replace a couple drain lines on the sinks because they're like crunchy and soft and ready to fall apart. And then plumbing's pretty much done.
I thought you said we had a long way to go.
If we do the Quest, we got a long way to go.
No, and that's part of the problem, right? It's like, oh, I could just be done, or...
Right, it's like, where should I stop? I mean, this isn't broken yet. Do I fix it now, or do I wait? I mean, the reality is if we wait to do it, it's actually going to be harder to do because more stuff will be put back together, but at the same time, we want to get our boat done so we can get out on the water, and the reality is it's probably going to be fine. My fingers and my arms just quite not long enough. I bet yours are longer than mine.
No, they're not.
All right, let's see. I bet you can reach it.
Yeah, but it's gross down there. That's like kind of creepy.
Therefore, it should be follow the bee to do.
You do the gross stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm wearing white.
You can take it off. You won't video that. Or what shape it is, or how big it is.
You seriously want me to put my fingers in there?
Yeah, I want you to put your fingers in there.
Gross!
And tell me if it's plugged up behind it.
I need gloves.
I did it without gloves.
I don't care. Gross! I want
I'll
gloves.
give you
I would give you
gloves.
mine if mine was so dirty, Mom.
These are not waterproof. These aren't even the same hand.
You got them on the wrong hand. Put the rubber side down, because that's the side you grabbed with.
Okay, but there's gonna get icky water in here.
There's not icky water in it. It's clean water up on top where that river.
Alright.
Alright, so now you gotta lay down on your tummy and reach in there as far as you can.
There's a hole here. I cannot do this. Are you actually videoing me?
Yes, I am. Somebody's
I can't reach it. My boobies are in the way.
Are you saying that because you have breasts, your arms aren't as long as mine?
Yeah, because see, here's this. I can't reach it.
Can't you just deflate that side?
reach and I'm not kidding. I could put my boobie in the hole. So we did a quick clean of the bilge yesterday, and now what we discovered in filling the bilge full of water to flush it all out is that it's not draining properly. So now we are doing a deep clean of the bilge. What you doing now, Liberty?
Waiting for Dad to make this smaller. I don't know how. I know how. Let me show you. And it's not working for me.
I think he twisted it super tight for you.
Nope.
Ooh, you're so strong. Look at you.
That's how.
What are you working on right now?
We're going to do one. I think a bilge in the bathroom.
What you doing, Katie?
We gotta wash all that.
Doing pull-ups? Pull yourself up. Oh. Do it again. Oh.
I can't do it. That's hard.
Pull up with your arm. Gabe. You can do it. You can do it.
So
Let's see.
my feet have to be down.
No, they don't. Just pull up. Oh my goodness, look, Gabe is super strong.
And I want to.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
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 Knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Weren't you?
Aren't you glad I didn't say banana?
Please like.
And subscribe.
And leave us a comment.
Bye.